Alright, so today's video is going to be headlight restoration, since we're not supposed to go anywhere. This is some easy quick fixes you can do. Help your car look better during this time of quarantine. We're going to be using the meguires headlight restoration kit, the heavy one. There's a lot of sanding and buffing, but I'll show you all the steps and we'll see how it comes out. It's definitely a big difference.
Yeah.
Jeez. Part of me just wants to keep polishing it. It's like shiny and good. See if I get it like that in the corner.
Just make it look
Like this corner lights.
Almost.
I think a lot of work. I feel like you'd have to do the inside too.
Yeah, I'll end up wanting to buy the glass pieces. But so this is the end result. Not too bad for a $30 kit and about a half hour of your time. Quick, nice. Not too bad at $30. Excuse the car. It's all from all the sanding. Got to get it washed. But do your boy a favor. Comment, like, subscribe. Keep this thing going. All right, thanks guys.